Hey everyone, it's Casey Neistat here. You know that feeling, right? That itch to just drop everything, grab your backpack and disappear to some far-off corner of the world? Yeah, me too. The problem is, traveling can get crazy expensive, and nobody wants to come home to a mountain of credit card debt. That's why today we're diving into the best budget travel hacks for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just planning your first trip, these tips will help you save big so you can spend more time exploring and less time stressing about your bank account. Let's do this. Alright, first up is a hack that's almost embarrassingly simple but crazy, effective incognito mode. You know how airlines seem to magically jack up prices the second you show a little interest in a flight? They're tracking your search history, my friends. But fear not, there's a way to outsmart the system. Before you even think about searching for flights, open up a new incognito or private browsing window. This way, airlines won't be able to see your past searches and adjust prices accordingly. Trust me, this little trick can save you a significant chunk of change, especially on those long-haul flights. It's like magic, but for travel. Next up, let's talk timing. We all know that traveling during peak season like holidays or school breaks is a surefire way to drain your bank account. But what if I told you there's a better way? It's called off-peak travel, and it's a game changer. Think about it, fewer crowds, cheaper flights, and more availability for accommodations. Plus, you get to experience destinations in a whole new light, without the hustle and bustle. Shoulder seasons, those magical weeks between peak and off-peak, are also a goldmine for deals. So before you book that trip, take a look at the calendar and see if you can be a little flexible with your dates. Your wallet will thank you. Chapter 3. Embrace the local vibe. Public transportation is your friend. Okay, let's talk transportation. While renting a car and cruising down the open road might sound romantic, it can also put a serious dent in your budget. Taxis and ride-sharing services? Convenient, but they add up fast. The solution? Public transportation, my friends. Not only is it significantly cheaper, but it's also a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Hop on a bus, train, or even a ferry, and soak up the sights and sounds of your destination like a true explorer. Plus, you'll be reducing your carbon footprint, which is always a good thing. Chapter 4. The early bird catches the deal. Book accommodations in advance. Now let's talk about where you're going to rest your weary head after a long day of exploring. When it comes to accommodations, booking in advance is key, especially if you're traveling during popular times. Many hotels and hostels offer early bird discounts, so snag those deals while you can. Plus, by booking early, you'll have a wider selection of places to choose from, ensuring you find the perfect spot that fits your budget and travel style. Remember, procrastination is not your friend when it comes to saving money on travel. Chapter 5. Pack light, travel far. The art of efficient packing. Last but not least, let's talk about packing. We've all been there, staring at a suitcase overflowing with clothes we probably won't even wear. Overpacking is not only a hassle, but it can also lead to hefty baggage fees. So before you zip up that suitcase, channel your inner minimalist and pack only the essentials. Roll your clothes instead of folding them, use packing cubes to maximize space, and choose versatile items that you can mix and match. Remember, less is more when it comes to budget travel. Adventure awaits. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel hacks and adventures. Remember, traveling doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning and these simple hacks, you can experience the world without emptying your wallet. Now get out there, explore, and make some memories. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.